So welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a simple centerpiece using a large square tray. I'm going to start with showing you a few of the items I'm going to be using. I have a few dried oranges, some 4 sprigs of a very soft pumpkin colored sprigs. Then over here I've got 3 of these sprigs that I picked up at Walmart, and then 3 pumpkins and just some candle holders. So I'm going to start by putting the table centerpiece on the table, and then I'm just going to lay these sprigs just kind of casually around, kind of in the center, so that these are kind of in the center. Then I'm going to add these pumpkin ones just to fill in the spaces here. And you can see what I'm trying to do is get some fullness in here and have a bit of variety there in the color. Got a big pumpkin in the center and another one over here. I'm going to just kind of throw them down at a bit of an angle. I might move it around, we'll see. Then I'm going to use all these little things here to fill in some of the empty spaces wherever they want to fall. Okay, that one's gone. In doing this little arrangement, it's just kind of fun to have a softer color. I'm doing this one for my living room. I'm trying to go for a little bit lighter colors here today in my living room. Oops. So you can use whatever colors you like. I've just got some candle holders here I'm going to poke in wherever I got room for them to fit. There's no rhyme or reason for this, but you do want to make sure that your candles are going to be in a place where they're not going to catch anything on fire, or you could use faux candles if you like. So the whole idea is basically to fill the tray in. I'm just going to center this for a minute. So I'm just going to light the candles here. There you have it. There is a beautiful little centerpiece for a coffee table. You could use it on a dining table, on a server. I chose the lighter colors to go with the rest of my living room here, which pretty much has a lot of the lighter colors in it. And yeah. I hope you enjoy the video. Give it a like if you do. Hit subscribe to see more fall decorating ideas. And hopefully you've enjoyed this. Hit subscribe if you want to see more. And comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.